Hi guys, this is the Java series part 64. Now let's discuss about the inbuilt method equals. Okay, this equals method is present inside the string class and integer class also. Okay, and inside the object class also we have the equals method. Okay, what is the role of the equals method? This equals method returns true if both the objects are equal. It returns false if both the objects are not equal. Okay, here I have created the user defined class equal str. Inside this class I have the main method. Execution starts only from the main. Here I have created two objects, object 1 and obj2. Okay, and here I have used the inbuilt string class. Okay, new keyword I have used. New keyword is used to create the memory for this object during the execution of the program. Likewise, object 2. Okay, this string is the default constructor. Okay, after creating these objects, what are the values of object 1 and object 2? Null only, isn't it? obj1 is equal to null and obj2 is equal to null. So, both the values of object 1 and object 2 are null. Am I correct? Okay. Here, I have used the equals method. This equals method is from this string class. Because here I have used the obj1. This obj1 is the object for this string inbuilt class. Okay, so this equals inbuilt method is from this string class only. Okay, and here I have the second object obj2. Okay, so this equals method is used to check whether the objects obj1 and obj2 are equal or not. Okay, and here this equals, that is this equals is from this string inbuilt class, isn't it? We know already all the classes or the subclass of the object inbuilt class, isn't it? So inside the string class we have the equals method and inside the object also we have the equals method, isn't it? So this equals method, that is the subclass equals method, overrides the superclass equals method. So overriding concept, polymorphism, is used here. Okay, so after the evaluation of this statement, what we will get? True only, because both the objects holds null. Okay, here I have given the values for obj1 and obj2. Both the values are equal, Java programming and Java programming, isn't it? So after the evaluation of this expression, we will get true only, because both the elements are equal. Now let me execute this one. Both are equal. Okay, this is the result for the 12th statement. Both the objects holds the null. That's why we got true. And here, both the objects hold the Java programming value. So, this is the output for 19th statement. Now, I change the value, Java 1. Okay, I have to save first, then I execute the same again. Here, now the values are different, isn't it? Object 1 holds Java programming and obj2 holds Java 1 programming. So, the values are different. That's why we got false here. I hope you all understood about the equals method. Equals method returns true if both the objects are equal. Equals method returns false if both the objects are not equal. Okay, the equals method is present inside the string class as well as the object class. The string class equals method overrides the method which is present inside the object class. So polymorphism overriding concept is used here. Okay, one more example. Here, this is my class, and here I have created the main method. This is the inbuilt class, isn't it? This is not a int like integer a. This means this is the variable and this is the data type for this a, isn't it? But this is the inbuilt class. Okay, this is the inbuilt class like the string class. Okay. So this inbuilt class holds the equals inbuilt method like the string class. Okay, and inside this we have the equals method. So what is the role of this equals method? The same. Okay, so equals method returns true if both the object values are equal. Okay, otherwise it returns false. So inside the integer we have the equals inbuilt method, and inside the object we have the inbuilt method equals. So this integer class equals method overrides the object class inbuilt method equals. Okay, so again polymorphism overriding concept is used in this program. Got it? Okay, here I have given 5 to x and 5 to y and 15 to z. Okay, now here x dot equals. So this is the inbuilt method which is from the integer inbuilt class. That's why we can use the object. Okay, what is this? Object for this integer class. Y is the object for this integer class and z is the object for this integer class. Okay, so this method is used to compare the values of these two objects. Okay, so both the values are equal, so it returns true. But here x value is 5 and z value is 15, so it returns false only. Okay, now let me execute this one. This is the output for the 11th one and this is the output for the 12th one. I hope you all understood about the equals method. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.